First of all, let us give loudly a different clap to the entire management. Super clap. Do you remember the clap?
Yes, sir. Super.
So, respected leader of the institution, Principal Madam, Vice Principal Madam, Superintendent Sir, TSKC Coordinator Sir, and Mentor Madam, and the energetic, enthusiastic, hyperactive students.
Thank you, sir.
My thanks to everybody. Without you, the program is not possible. Whatever may be the brand, whether it is Mahindra or some other brand, without the involvement, without the coordination and cooperation of the management and the faculty, no program, yes, okay, can be executed. And let me acknowledge these students are really wonderful.
Thank you.
Sir, wonderful. As one student mentioned in the beginning, if these kind of programs are held in every semester or maybe once in a while, and few things like we can focus on language development and technological development and providing them like small internships, I think they will shine like anything. They will compete with the urban students. I can guarantee that. So language, the technological knowledge, and little experience by doing internships. If these three things you can do. You have to show interest. I'm glad Principal Madam is here as a leader of the institution. And the same program was held in the year 2020, but the program was not successful. Okay, I was there. And last year I met Madam in the entire college. It was really wonderful. Madam witnessed this, and students are still in touch with us. So under her leadership, I wish these kind of programs are held again, and you, as students, get employed. I thank everybody for the kind cooperation, for the help, and my TSKC mentor madam and coordinator sir, both of you especially, because you were on the field, you were visiting every day my classroom, my session, and interacting with the students, trying to understand our pains and all these things. Thanks for the wonderful hosting and everything. Thank you, all the best.